pressing out the pin. Just like that. The other paddle place back in on the flanges, push it into place, and push the pin back through. And as simple as that, the paddle is in and where it needs to be. The only thing left to do is to take the supplied Allen wrench and tighten up the set screw, which adjusts how much play you have before it actually activates the shift. So I'm bringing it in to where it barely has to move. It activates. You can adjust that to your own preference, but it's as simple as that. Take about 30 seconds. On the second one, your first one may take a minute or two, but it's very easy to replace.